Now, I've heard about McDonald's, Coca-Cola, some of these Fortune 100 companies are
Yeah.
already using this technology. So if somebody wants to install it, what is typically that process? What does that look like?
Yeah, so we pride ourselves on being the best customer service company out there, and so the process is really reach out to us. You can call us, you can reach us on LinkedIn, you can email the team at customercare@flockoffusa.com, and one of our sales reps will typically get involved with you. Once we kind of understand your problem, we'll typically bring in our engineering and our science team, and they'll work with you. They'll talk to you about what is your bird problem, what are we trying to accomplish? Can you send us CAD drawings, or can we Google Earth your actual project? And they'll work with you and they'll hold your hand all the way through the process. We have the ability to train people directly. We also have the ability to bring in people who will do the install for you.
Excellent.